faster than ever before. The signs are everywhere: melting glaciers, rising seas, raging wildfires. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It is our present reality. Scientists around the world agree. Human activities are driving climate change. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, trapping heat in our atmosphere. This is disrupting the delicate balance that has sustained life for millennia. From coastal cities to rural farmlands, no region is untouched. Rising temperatures fuel more powerful storms, droughts devastate crops, and rising sea levels threaten entire communities. The future of our planet depends on what we do today. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the power to make a change. But the time to act is now.